taking one single idea and going to 10K a month is really not that mystifying. There's no big secret. Okay, it is a little mystifying because there is some math involved, but really one idea, it's one thing. Have you ever read this book or even heard of this book? The One Thing. This is one of my favorite books. This is one of my favorite books. Like, I read a lot of books, but the idea and the concept here is the surprisingly simple truths behind extraordinary results. Again, the surprisingly simple truths behind extraordinary results is one thing. So the idea and the concept here is one idea. And like I said, it's just a math problem. And you can even use ChatGPT to come up with the idea. But more importantly, you can use ChatGPT to break it down to the science, the math of it all. So use this prompt. Give me 3 different examples of making 10K a month by showing me the math for a low ticket, medium ticket, and high ticket product that I could sell online. Now, low ticket means low end price or a lower price like $10, $20. Medium ticket and high ticket go up from there. But typically, as you can see here, it's going to break it down into that $20 range, $200 range, and $2,000 range. But you can see ChatGPT is going to break down the 3 scenarios of how you can make 10K a month. Now, again, go back to what I was saying about this book, The One Thing. The surprisingly simple truths behind extraordinary results are, or is, you need one idea. You need to pick one thing. So, for example, here on 30-Minute Marketing, my thing is talking about marketing, showing you how to make money online. Specifically, I typically address people that are new who have maybe heard or seen about making money online, and then they come here and they're looking for the truth about how to actually make money online and the best way to start, which would be, in my opinion, affiliate marketing, but that may not be the best idea for you. So sometimes you need to look at other ideas. And that's also what I want to do here on the channel, is I want to be able to present you other ideas. But because of the way YouTube is, sometimes I can't present all of the ideas I have. But in this case, what I'm doing is giving you the concept or bringing you back to the one thing. The one thing that you can do is you can go to ChatGPT, and again, you can go back, steal this prompt. Give me 3 different examples of making 10K a month by showing me the math for a low ticket, medium ticket, and high ticket product. And then take your time and read each one of these. For a low ticket product selling at $20 a month, as an example, ebooks, online courses, or other accessories, breakdown is you need to sell 500 units, or you need to make 500 sales of a $20 product to make $10,000 a month. This approach usually requires high traffic and a larger audience, so the conversion rate for lower ticket items can be higher. That means you need more eyeballs. You need more people to see your offer, because every time someone makes a purchase, it's only going to be for $20. Therefore, you need to make 500 of those to get to 10K a month. Then we move into the medium ticket, $200. So you're selling a product that is $200. So if you're an affiliate, you would need a higher ticket product to make $200, but the concept here stays the same. Whether your one idea is to be an affiliate marketer or your one idea is to create your own product, the idea is you need to sell $200 a month, or the amount you need to get in sales, or 50 sales a month, you need to sell a product that gets you $200. So again, this might require a more targeted marketing strategy and a more sophisticated sales funnel than low ticket products. These are all things that you need to be aware of inside of your idea, inside of the process of going or thinking about the one idea, the one thing that you can do to go from where you are today to $10,000 a month. Of course, the high ticket product is going to be for $2,000, and you only need to make 5 sales per month. Now, there is some nuance here, and you understand when it breaks this down, ChatGPT that is, when it breaks it down for you, it says this approach often involves personalized sales efforts. Lots of times that means getting on a chat or, a phone call and calling someone up, or getting on a Zoom and giving them a sales pitch. Not always, but sometimes it does, because the idea here is you're selling something to them for $2,000. Or again, if you're an affiliate, this is going to need to be a high ticket product like $10,000, where you would make a commission of $2,000 a month. Now, there are some notes on the strategy here. And again, go back to ChatGPT, put in that prompt, take a look at these notes. Traffic and conversion, customer relations, value and trust, support and aftercare. The things that you need to do once you have your one idea, once you have your one thing, once you are focused, once you realize that focus brings you to the realization that, again, there is no mystery. It's not mystifying. Like I said at the beginning of the video, there is a little bit of math that may mystify you in the beginning, but ChatGPT just broke that down for us. So take that prompt that I showed you in ChatGPT and understand, just like in this book that I read all the time, the one thing, the surprisingly simple truth behind extraordinary results starts with a single idea, focus, understanding that you take that one idea, you focus all your effort on it, and then you see what happens over a longer extended period of time than what most people are going to give it. That's where you find success, in the length or the time that you spend focused on that one idea. And if you need or you're looking for an idea to get yourself started, of course, affiliate marketing is always my recommendation, but there's lots of little things inside of building an affiliate marketing business that you need to know. And some of the ideas that you can get, or some of the bigger ideas that I have outside of the very simple, targeted, focused, proven strategy that I teach here on the channel, I want to share with you, and I'm sharing one today, link in the description. I'm unlocking one big idea or one profitable idea that you can focus on and I think might help you. Link in the description. Check that out. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.